Alright, what is up guys? It is Timeless Kicks back with another video. And for today's video, I just wanted to go over the release of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the bone colorway. So this Yeezy in particular drops on March 21st for a retail price of $230. And we have seen a $10 increase in not only the 350s, but also as the slides as well. The Yeezy 700s that are due to come on March 22nd has also gotten a price increase. I'm not entirely sure as to why Yeezy and Adidas have increased their prices. Regardless, it is important to note that there is an increase on these Yeezys. I believe that this release in particular is exclusive to Yeezy Supply and the Confirmed app. So I don't believe that retail stores are going to be getting these. So originally when these came out, these were named the Pure Oats. However, the name has changed to the Bone colorway. Now, since getting the release of the triple whites back in 2017, we've had some similar white colorways, but none that have been super crazy or have performed that great in the aftermarket. So it's been about 5 years. In June of 2021, we did see the Yeezy Mono Ice come out, as well in August of 2021, we also saw the Yeezy 350 V2 lights come out. Now, in my opinion, I think that this new colorway of the Bone combines the Yeezy 350 light and the Yeezy 350 triple white. I think your best bet for copping these would be the Confirmed app. Yeezy Supply has definitely been very difficult to cop on. I know that for me, it has been extremely difficult to get anything on Yeezy Supplies, and the draw on the Confirmed app will open at 11 a.m. on Monday, March 21st. Yeezy Supply does open at 8 a.m., but again, Yeezy Supply is rather difficult to cop on. So if we take a look at this shoe, on the sole, we actually see the globe logo, meaning that this shoe is created with sustainable and reusable materials, which is pretty cool. The reason that I think it's similar to the light version that we received in August is because of that translucent stripe that we get in the middle of the shoe. However, with this Yeezy, instead of the cream colorway, we are getting more of a triple white colorway, which I'm really excited for because I do love white sneakers. Now, I know that some people are kind of upset at Kanye, Adidas, Yeezy because they have been dropping a lot of Yeezys recently, but I really like the fact that they're dropping more Yeezys. 350s and Yeezys in general are just a super comfortable sneaker to wear, and the fact that we are able to have more opportunities to cop is exciting. Now, I'm not particularly sure what the aftermarket is going to look like. I imagine it to be around the 300 to 350 range, somewhere in that mix. The price might dip a little bit in the beginning, but as it approaches spring and summer, a classic all-white Yeezy 350 is something that a lot of people like and a lot of people want to get their hands on. You know, once people are really starting to buy more into sneakers for springtime and summertime, I imagine that this price will go up. Now, the 350 model in general is a super popular model, as well as the colorway. A white colorway in Yeezys, as well as an all-black colorway, seem to do really good in the aftermarket. So I definitely would suggest trying to get your hands on these, either for a personal pair, but if you are looking into reselling these, I think that it is a good investment. I am very excited for this drop because, like I said, an all-white Yeezy, you can just never go wrong. So let me know down in the comments below if you are excited for this drop, what your thoughts are about this release in general, and if you are looking to cop this Yeezy 350 V2. As always guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon.